Hey guys, so our timer is going off here, so we're at 160 degrees Fahrenheit or above. I'm going to hit that end button here, okay? Now, so to finish this off in the oven, guys, what we want to do is we want to lower that temperature of the oven, and we want to put that on probably about the lowest setting, 160, 155, around that range. So we're going to just hit bake here, and hit 160, and then start, okay? So now here's what we're going to do, guys. Because we want to dehydrate this jerky, we want a lot of that humidity to come out. Now if you use a convection oven, like a lot of the ovens they use in Europe, this will dehydrate a lot faster than just a regular oven, okay? Convection ovens have a fan on them, so it blows out that hot air and that steam, okay? So now, a lot of the ovens that we have here in the States don't have that fan, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to prop this door open. Now how we do so, guys, and in the jerky guide, I tell you to prop the door open with a wooden spoon. So if you got a wooden spoon hanging around, but you want to obviously use something that's not flammable, right? You don't want to torch up the house making beef jerky. So guys, what you're going to do is set that to 160, 155, and you're going to prop this door open with something wooden so that all that steam comes out. So now you're going to finish this off, my friends. You're going to cook it for about another 2 hours, just like this, in the oven, 2.5 hours. And every once in a while, go to the jerky, check it, okay? And what you want to do by checking it is when you rip the jerky, you should see fine hairs in it. And that's how you know that your jerky is done, my friends. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. This is Keith Rainbow, the Fat Yankee. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.